Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Before going to the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Today's topic is very much interesting topic and a trending topic is cryptocurrency. Out of 10, 7 out of 10 people will be discussing about cryptocurrency. So we will be seeing that introduction part today's video because it's a very lengthy topic. It will be very much difficult to get in the one video. So we have split the video into 2 to 3 videos. So today we will be seeing about introduction to cryptocurrency. Let's get into the video. Okay, cryptocurrency. Crypto is equal to secret, currency is equal to medium of purchase of goods and services. Let's understand the in detailed manner. Crypto is equal to secret. It means that only the sender and receiver only can able to understand the data or content whatever it is. If it is not secret, it will be visible to everyone. Correct. So, but it is in crypto means only the person who is sending the data and person who is receiving the data. Only for specified person he can able to view the data. So that is called the secret means. So cryptocurrency also in that way only. Crypto is a secret one which will be only two person can able to see, or specified person who is sender and the receiver can able to view the data. And currency you will be very much aware that is a medium of purchase of goods and services. For example, if you are buying a laptop, you need to pay money. So for before previously there will be a barter exchange. Say I will be giving 10 apple, you will be giving 10 oranges. So that is a barter system. But after the introduction of currencies, rupees, so currency is a medium of exchange for purchase and sales of goods and services. For example, now if you are buying 10 apples, for that you will be paying 100 rupees. So that is a medium of here the medium of exchange is currency. So if you join together, cryptocurrency is the one which is a secret one which you can able to make a payment or purchase or sale of the goods and services. So now we'll see the next one. Now we'll understand the cryptocurrency in simple words. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual money. It serves as a ordinary money, that is dollar, pounds, yen, euros, rupees, etc. But it has no physical existence. Thus, cryptocurrency exists only in the electronic form. Now we will understand in a detailed manner. It suggests that cryptocurrency you cannot able to visible, you cannot able to touch and feel it in cash, but cryptocurrency is a digital one you cannot able to see or visible it will not be visible, so that it means that it has no physical existence and cryptocurrency exists only in the electronic form. You will be having a doubt and there is so many people be asking whether it is legal in India or not, like that. Now we will be seeing that in India it is legal to buy, to sell and hold, but you cannot buy or sell goods with Bitcoin, with cryptocurrency. It means that you can able to buy and sell or hold in the cryptograph. You can able to hold it in the cryptocurrency tool, but you cannot able to exchange with currencies. It is banned by Government of India and RBI. Latestly, in 2020, Supreme Court has waived the cryptocurrency ban in India. They suggested that you can able to buy, sell, and hold in India. There are various types of cryptocurrency. There are so many cryptocurrencies are available in the world, but these are the very much popular currencies available in the market. One is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ripple, and Stellar. As I suggested starting of the video, it is a very big topic. We will be seeing in 2 to 3 videos. In next video, we will be seeing what is meant by blockchain, what is meant by peer-to-peer network, how cryptocurrency works and advantages and disadvantages. Thanks guys for watching our video. Please like the button if you like the video. Thank you.